I received a package from Dr.Duckbutter, and I have been seeing his stuff all over Instagram. Hot sauces look so freaking bomb. I cannot wait to try it, guys. And what better way to celebrate National Hot Sauce Day, guys, which is tomorrow, January 22nd, than by tasting some bomb hot sauces. Though I have no idea what type of hot sauces he sent, so that's gonna be interesting. Are they gonna be fire, guys, or is it gonna be like Severe Foods, which is like full of flavor? I don't know, and I can't wait any longer. So vamos a empezar a abrir este package to see what I got, guys. And it's a nicely packaged package. Look at this. Oh, so freaking pretty. And everything is in perfect conditions, nothing arrived broken. It says, enjoy sauce, cheers, Dr.Duckbutter. Oh, and he hid it for me, guys. Like, I have no idea what's in the package. Vamos a abrirlo y vamos a ver qué agarré. Oh, guys, oh my goodness. Oh, bro, you shouldn't have. This is a lot. It's not only hot sauces, guys. I also got guys, this is a lot. A ton of stickers, seeds. Oh, guys, I cannot wait to start planting for this year. Let me show you guys these stickers. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Tons and tons of stickers. Bro, this is so awesome. Thanks a million. I love stickers, guys. More to add to my collection. Look at this. Oh, I'm not sure if this camera is doing them justice. Look at this one. So funny. I did that. Oh, look at this one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now, guys, let's look at what seeds I have. Oh, it's so exciting to get to see new seeds, to plant new peppers, to try new peppers. But the hard part about it, guys, is that there's gonna be some really spicy peppers, and I'm just gonna be like, oh, I want to plant this one, and then all of a sudden it's like, crap. You guys want me to do a review on that one, and then I have to eat it whole, and I'll be burning for a while. Okay, so we have, the white habanero, guys. I love habanero peppers. The Scotch bonnet red. My mouth's gonna be on fire. My mouth's gonna be on fire with this one, guys. I cannot wait to plant these this year. JP Chupetino Chile. Oh, so freaking cool. JP Tangerine. T5, I'm not sure if they meant F5, but it looks like a T5 on there. JP Brazilian Starfish Orange. Guys, those look epic. They look so freaking cool. Such a cool looking pepper. And these peppers, like, oh my goodness. I mean, did you guys see my videos from last year? There are so many beautiful peppers and different shapes. Like, you would think like all chiles almost look the same, right? But no, like the Brazilian orchid, so freaking beautiful. Look, and Brazilian Starfish red. So I got the red and the orange one to plant this year. That's exciting. Okay, I got 3 hot sauces, guys. Vamos a ver qué son. The first one, this one says lemon ghostly jalapeno with ají lemon drop. This one, well, it says ghostly. I was like, cause lemon drops, they're not so spicy, but it says lemon ghostly jalapeno. So is it like a ghost jalapeno? Was it a cross? Oh, that might be terrifying because you guys know how ghosts are. They're really spicy. And roasted garlic. That's what it has on the back of it. So that's the first one. That's the first one I'm gonna try. This one, arbol and chocolate hobs. Hence the color, guys. Look at this color. Roasted red bell and shallots with maple and tamarind. I love the tamarind and hot sauces. I love the flavor. It's almost like a chamoy feeling. I wonder if that one's gonna be like a chamoy taste to it. And this one's roasted pear, carrots, white hops, ají lemon drop, and lemon GT. That's what it says on the back. Let's go ahead and try the first one, which is the lemon ghostly jalapeno ají lemon drop. Let's give it a good shake and vamos a abrirlo, because I cannot wait to try these, guys. Are you guys doing anything fun for National Hot Sauce Day? You know, I wouldn't have known about National Hot Sauce Day if it weren't for 2 years ago when a beautiful baby girl named Ariel, she mentioned it on one of my lives. Rest in peace, her beautiful soul. She was so freaking nice. Love her a million. Oh, guys, consistency, beautiful consistency. Look at that. It just packs on there so nicely. Oh, wow. It has heat. I knew it. Told you guys, you really, really taste the lemon in here. It's very citrusy. You get hints of garlic coming out right and left. Oh, I love the garlic. Is just amazing. You know, sometimes I'm like, oh, it has mild hints of garlic, and I'm a real garlic person. This one has garlic. It's spicy though. It is really, really spicy. I didn't think it was gonna be this spicy, but it is delicious. Beyond delicious. Like, esto se me antoja. Like, even to put on a ceviche, guys, because of the limon taste in here, like, it would really complement it very well. But on tacos, oh my goodness. Fish tacos especially. This one is freaking delicious, guys. The flavor. It's like you get the heat, but it doesn't overpower the flavor in it. The flavor is so freaking bomb. I cannot wait. I can't even imagine how the other ones taste. I bet they're so freaking delicious. Oh, let's go ahead and try this one. Okay, chocolate hobs, guys. Chocolate hobs, they're pretty spicy también. So let's try this one. Arbol chocolate hobs, roasted red bells, shallots with maple and tamarind. Give it a good shake, guys. Y vamos a abrirla. I don't know if you guys can see the seeds from there. Look at that. That looks so freaking beautiful, doesn't it? I'm telling you. I'm hoping it's like a sweeter chamoy taste, but with the chocolate hobs, like, I know it's gonna be hot, guys. It's automatically gonna be hot. Hopefully it has more arbol than chocolate hobs. And how come I'm seeing seeds? It must be that the arbol peppers were dry peppers. Beautiful sweetness. Wow. The tamarindo, I'm telling you guys, I get vibes of that chamoy, but it's hot. I love the munch on it. It honestly feels like he almost just made it, packaged it, because it tastes so fresh. It tastes like so freaking fresh. Like if the chiles were put in there fresh. So it's weird that you get these seeds. Like, it's almost like the chocolate hobs were fresh, but the arbol peppers were dry, and it's like the great mixture because it's more like of a chunky sauce. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. So you munch on like this bombness and you get a sweetness up front. The roastedness, freaking delicious. This one's so good. Like, I just want to put this one on chips right now. I mean, it's hot, guys. Don't get me wrong, it's hot, but the sweetness kind of calms it down up front, and it's addicting, so you just want to keep munching on it. So freaking good. So freaking good. Bro, these flavors, they're out of this world. They're so delicious. Heat though, heat, guys, heat. Last one. Last one, guys. Vamos a abrir esta a ver a qué sabe. It says it has roasted pears and carrots. So, so freaking bomb. I just started getting into roasted pear hot sauces. So delicious. I never even knew pears can go in hot sauces, guys. They taste really bomb. This one has the white hobs, which I will be trying to plant this year, guys. Wish me luck, because I want to try them on here también and let you guys know. I wonder if I can try it too. I mean, I did the Carolina Reapers last year. Yeah, I was bearing up for a while, but I did it. So 2 white hobs might not be impossible, guys. Ahi lemon drops and lemon GT. That's what it has. Give it a good shake. And let's open this one up. Oh, I'm telling you guys, the flavors on the other one, the seasoning, the salt, perfection. It's not too salty. It's great amount of salt. Because you know what? I've also tasted hot sauces that don't have enough salt, you know? But this one, So freaking bomb. I like that it doesn't have a restrictor cap because in my opinion, you really don't need them since you're the person that's gonna be buying them. They're most likely into hot sauces. That's why they're buying hot sauces, so they taste a lot of hot sauce. I feel like they get in the way. I love hot sauce. The consistency in this one, guys, so nice. Luxuriously silky smoothness on this one. The flavoring, the pears, like it's almost like a conserva de pera, to tell you guys the truth. Like the pear in it, you can actually taste it. The consistency of it, the taste in your mouth, like it feels like it was a pear applesauce. That is perfectly combined. You know what? This one on some ice cream. Have you guys tried hot sauce on ice cream? So freaking bomb. And not just hot sauce on ice cream, but have you guys tried pepper jelly? I've mixed it into some ice cream and oh my goodness, to die for. So freaking good. But this one is beyond bomb. Like I want to almost just put this one on some apple pie. I feel like it would complement it very well. I love the sweetness in it. So freaking delicious. These flavors are out of this world. Like I feel like anybody and everyone would love these flavors. So freaking delicious, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are so freaking amazing. Have a great day. Bye.